In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload any files to your Shopify store. If you're running an online store, whether it's filled with trendy apparel, custom art prints, or even digital downloads, having high-quality files and images on your site is crucial. Not only do they serve to enrich the visual appeal of your store, but they also help in creating a professional and cohesive brand image. Fortunately, Shopify makes this process incredibly straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, let's get started by directing our attention to the left panel of your Shopify admin interface. This is your main navigation area, where you can access all the important parts of your Shopify office, from managing orders to customizing your store's settings. Look for the button labeled Content. Give it a click to open up your content management area. Once you're in the content section, you'll see an option labeled Files. Go ahead and select it. This Files area acts as a library for your store, allowing you to compile all the files you need, like a specialized toolkit to effectively run and beautify your store. It's not just limited to images. You can upload any type of file that your Shopify store might need, whether it's PDFs for digital downloads, high-resolution images for product listings, or videos that showcase how your products can be used. This is the spot where you'll store them. Now, let's talk about how you can use these files. Once you've uploaded your desired files, you can easily integrate them into your store. For example, if you're uploading product images, these will be integral in setting up your product pages, ensuring each item is displayed in its best light. Site elements, on the other hand, could involve background images, promotional banners, or even logos that help build your brand's identity. The files you store here will be handy in designing engaging newsletters or creating enticing product descriptions. And that's it. You now have a fully functional understanding of how to upload any files to your Shopify store. This simple yet powerful feature allows you to manage your store's visual content efficiently and effectively. Remember, high-quality content not only captivates your audience, but also can significantly influence your sales and brand credibility. With just a few clicks, you can ensure your Shopify store is stocked with the necessary resources to make a memorable impression. Thank you for allowing me to guide you through this process, and I hope you find it as seamless and empowering as we do. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on mastering your Shopify experience.